Interlibrary Loan is a service that allows you to request items through other libraries when we do not have those items in our own collection. You will know that we do not have an item if you get the message, "Add other libraries worldwide." To make a request, simply click on the title, click on the Request Item through Interlibrary Loan button, scroll down to the bottom of the request form. You'll need to provide a needed before date, your first and last name, the YHC card number found underneath the magnetic strip. It's usually a 5 or 6 digit number in the bottom right hand corner, and your YHC email address. When you are finished, click Submit. If you are requesting a book, books usually take about 2 weeks to get to our library. Once we have received the book, you will be notified via email that your book is ready to be picked up. When you come to the library, make sure that you have your student ID, and we will then check the book out to you. Journal articles can be requested the same way, but they will usually come to you via email as a PDF full text copy, and that is how you make interlibrary loan requests.